If you are broke right now, no degree, no plan, no direction, and you think DoorDash is your way out or Uber is your way out, bro, you are cooked. I'm not saying that to clown you. I'm saying that because nobody else will. America stopped caring about broke men a long time ago. Nobody is hiring you without experience. Nobody is paying you enough to survive. And nobody is teaching you how to get ahead. You are watching dudes on TikTok talk about financial freedom while you are choosing between gas and groceries. You keep hearing grind harder, but every grind you try just grinds you down. The economy is not built for you to win. It is built for you to consume, to scroll, to complain, and to stay tired enough to never fight back. But there is one system left that still pays you to build yourself. One, it is not crypto, not e-commerce, not college debt. It is the US military. And I know half the comment will be like, bro, that is slavery. No, slavery is working 60 hours a week at a warehouse while rent goes up and your boss tests you on your day off. The US military, when you learn the rules, is the only structure in America that will feed you, train you, house you, pay you, and then reward you for life when you leave. You might not like that truth, but it is still true. You are broke because you don't have leverage right now. You don't have skills. You don't have skills that pay, discipline that lasts, or benefit that protect you. The US military gives you all three. It gives you the one thing broke men never get, structure. And structure turns chaos into checks. That is why I joined the US military and I left also. Not for glory, not for flags, not because I wanted to get yelled at by a staff sergeant. I joined because I was tired of losing. I wanted a system that could not only pay me, but train me to be dangerous in the right way. Here is what nobody tells you. The uniform is not a trap. It is a trade-off. 3 years of your life in exchange for lifetime leverage. You save, you learn, you get paid, you stack benefit. Simple. And when you walk away, you walk out with more than you came in with. You cannot say that about most jobs today in this country. Let me break it down for you. Let me break down what getting out ahead actually looks like. You get a steady check every 1st and 15th. You get free housing. You get food. You get medical. You get life insurance. You get free job training. You get a resume full of experience that civilians cannot fake. And if you play it right, when you leave, you get a disability rating that keeps paying you for the rest of your life. I make $4,500-ish a month tax-free. That is not luck. That is strategy. That is me learning the rules while everyone else was just following orders. Most guys in the US military never learn the game. They think showing up and waiting for promotion equals success. That is the broke mindset in camouflage. The smart ones, the ones watching videos like this, learn the paperwork, learn the benefits, learn the loopholes. They learn how to turn 3 years of service into 20 years of peace. You can too, but you cannot do it from the outside complaining on Reddit about a government property. You have got to step inside and learn how the machine works. Because here is the truth. The US military is not meant to make you rich. It is meant to make you ready. But readiness is transferable. The same discipline that makes you a good soldier can make you a dangerous civilian in business, in money, in life. The same focus that gets you through basic training can get you through building a credit score, buying a house, starting a company. The same benefit that civilians pay for monthly, you will have locked in for life if you just learn to file the right forms. You think DoorDash is giving you that? You think Uber cares if you get sick or hurt or old? They will deactivate your account and replace you in 10 seconds. The US military feeds you even when you are hurt. The US military pays you even when you are down. The US military gives you leverage that corporate America never will. You can hate the system, you can clone it, but at least this system pays. Let's be honest. Let me show you what broke looks like outside. Average rent in most cities is $2,000 a month. Add food, insurance, phone, gas. You are already negative before you even get paid. Then throw it student loans or a car note. You are drowning and you still don't have health coverage or retirement. The average civilian cannot handle one emergency, one accident, one layoff, and it is over. You join the US military, those emergencies turn into paperwork instead of panic. You break a bone, you go to the doctor, zero bill. You get sick, zero bill. You lose your job, you cannot. You are guaranteed a paycheck. That is not a trap, that is stability. I'm not saying it is easy. It is not. You will get yelled at. You will get pushed. You will want to quit. But pain is temporary. It's only 3 years. Broke is permanent. The same 3 years you will waste chasing side hustle can bear you a lifetime of leverage. I am living proof. I came in broke and left with benefit, saving, discipline, and a playbook for life. I am not special. I just learned the system. If you are still watching this, it is probably because deep down inside you, you know what I'm saying is true. You are tired of pretending you are working on it. You are tired of hearing your girl ask, what is the plan? You are tired of feeling like life is passing by. You need a real plan, not a fantasy. And the only plan that still works for broke men in America is the one that pays you to build yourself. Let's be real. The world used to have apprenticeship, trade schools, starter jobs that turn into careers, right? That is gone. Everything is gig work now. Every corporation wants a degree. Every landlord wants 3 times the rent. Every corporation wants a degree. Every landlord wants 3 times the rent. Every girl wants a man with stability. Where are you supposed to get that without connections or cash? You cannot, unless you use the one system still built for people starting from zero. That system is the US military. Let's keep it 100. The reason most guys talk down on the US military is pride. They will rather struggle than admit they need structure. They think freedom means doing whatever they want. But real freedom is having options. And you don't get options without leverage. The US military gives you leverage. It gives you a check, benefits, and access that you can stack into whatever life you want. Civilians wish they had that kind of backup plan. Every month that passes while you stay broke, the world keeps getting more expensive. Rent goes up, groceries go up, gas goes up, and your income stays the same. You cannot save your way out of poverty. You need to level up your earning potential, your skills, your habits. You need to play a different game. The US military pays you to learn that game. It teaches you structure, time management, teamwork, leadership, finance, logistics, healthcare, and how to move under pressure. That is currency. Employers crave those skills. Banks trust those skills. Life rewards those skills. And let me be clear, I am not saying the US military is heaven. It is a grind, but it is a grind with a payoff. Civilian grind just drains you. Military grind pays you. You are not waking up just to survive. You are waking up to build. You get promoted. You learn. You travel. You build credit. You save money. You are surrounded by other people on the same mission. You start to see progress for the first time in your life. That is what changes a man. Not motivational videos. Momentum. When I joined the US military, I was broke too. I had no clue what I was doing. No plan, no savings, no direction. I just knew I was tired of watching life pass me by. The US military gave me that first taste of stability. A bed, a roof, a mission. It gave me discipline. It gave me confidence. Then it gave me benefits. I learned how to use my TSP. I learned how to file my disability claim. I learned about Skill Bridge. I learned how to stack benefits that keep paying me now. That is how I end up making $4,544 a month tax-free, even if I'm working or not. Not because I got lucky, because I learned, because I studied the system that everyone else ignored. The same people who call me dumb for joining are now asking me how I did it. They are asking about VA loans, skill bridge, disability, tuition, all the things they cloned. And I tell them the same thing every time. The US military did not trap me. It trained me. It gave me the discipline to win in civilian life. It taught me to move with purpose instead of panic. If you are broke, you already know what hopeless feels like. You already know what humiliation feels like. You already know what it's like to check your bank account and laugh because crying will not fix it. So, what do you have to lose? 3 years of service versus 30 years of struggle. That is not even a choice. You are broke either way, but one path ends with benefit, structure, and a skill set. The other ends with burnout and regret. You keep waiting for a miracle job or a viral moment, but nobody is coming. You think the algorithm cares about your bills? You think your manager cares about your goals? No one is coming to save you. You have to save yourself. And the US military gives you the tools to do it. It is not perfect, but it is available. And if you use it smart, it can set you up for life. Here is what that looks like. You join, you serve, you learn, you stack. You keep every medical record. You max out your TSP. You take advantage of tuition assistance. You network. You build credit. You learn benefit before you separate. Then, when you ETS, you walk away with certifications, savings, connections, and a disability rating that pays you tax-free for life. That is the game. That is the cheat code. That is how you escape, because they are scared you will pass them. They will tell you horror stories. They will tell you about deployments, stress, and lost time. And yeah, those things are real. But so is success. So is discipline. So is financial freedom. Everything has a cost. Being broke has a cost too. The difference is one of these paths pays you back. Think about it. You're already giving your time away for free for jobs that do not care if you live or die. You are already stressing over rent. You are already broke. Why not trade those same years for something that multiplies? You can save 3 years and come out with a skill set, a resume, a disability rating, a lot of VA benefit, free college, and lifetime medical. Or you can stay where you are right now, scrolling, complaining, doing side hustle that barely buy gas. The math is simple. I get that the military is not perfect. It is not for everyone, but neither is being broke. At least in the US military, your pain has purpose. Your sacrifice builds something. You get structure, you get discipline, and when it is over, you get rewarded. That is the difference between suffering for nothing and struggling for something. 3 years of struggle that pays you for life beat 30 years of stress that pays you nothing. The system is not fair, but it is consistent. It rewards the informed. The guys who learn the rules always win. That is what military school is about. I teach you the system. I show you how to file the paperwork, how to stack your benefits, how to turn service into strategy. Because most of what holds men back is not laziness, it is ignorance. Nobody ever showed us the blueprint. We had to find it ourselves. But once you find it, you will never go broke again. You do not need luck. You do not need a miracle. You need a plan. And the US military is the only system that still gives you a way out without needing a plug, a loan, or a degree. It is the one place that still trades sweat for stability. So here is your choice. Keep hustling backward or step into a structure that actually pays. Keep blaming the world or learn the system that still works. You can cry about how unfair it is, or you can take advantage of it. The door is open. The opportunity is waiting. The only thing in your way is pride. You say you want to be a man, then act like one. Take responsibility. Stop scrolling. Stop complaining. Start learning. Because the world does not care about your excuses. It respects results. And results come from strategy, not sympathy. I will leave you with this. The US military is not the final answer. It is the starting point. It is the bridge between broke and built. The training wheels for freedom. The system that gives you stability long enough to design your own version of success. You can use it to travel, to learn, to stack, to build, but only if you take that first step. Nobody can want it for you. You have to want it for yourself. So if you are broke right now, if you are lost, if you are tired of struggling, stop pretending. Stop pretending you are too good for the one system still built for you. The US military does not care where you came from. It cares what you are willing to do next. It will pay you to learn, feed you, house you, train you, and set you up for life. You just have to say yes. That is the truth. That is the real talk. The US military is the only way out for broke men in America. Not because it is perfect, because it is possible. And possible is all you need to start winning. If this video helped you, please like the video, put a thumbs up, share it with everyone that you know, subscribe for more play that turns service into freedom. Watch this video on the screen that YouTube thinks will be helpful to you next. Peace. I'm gone.